Looking for a powerful and compact machine for your next digging project? Meet the 2-ton mini excavator, packed with features. Certified for Euro 5 and CE. And powered by a trusted Kubota engine. This excavator offers multifunctional capabilities. A comfortable cabin. And rugged crawler drive. Perfect for home users and light commercial work. It's customizable in color and function. So you get exactly what you need. And here's the best part. It's available with fast delivery straight from the Shandong Qiwan factory store. With factory direct pricing. Plus, don't miss out on our crazy discount month. Prices are at their lowest. Click the link in the description to buy now and take your project to the next level. Subscribe for more powerful machines and real reviews. See you in the next one.